Okay, although there's construction progress behind me, I want to show you the page numbers. This one is page numbers, and what I showed you earlier was the page name or your report name. So let's say we run this. We can delete all these tests. Let's delete all these tests. Otherwise, it can be said that I manipulate. Anyway, so if I run this, just show you what I do. Okay, let's hide that one at the back. Then it's just easier to see where we are. If you don't, okay, the default is middle. So if I want to create a middle report, this is how it will look. Create a report in the middle. So your page name or number is right in the middle of your screen. Let's go to the left one. I put in a 50, sorry, you see, I put in a 50 from the left, the middle. Let's recreate that one, and we create the right one. So if you look on this side, you will see, oh, no, where's the right one? Where's the right one? Did we give you a report? Yes, there's now. Okay, so the left side, it will look like this. Let's just make it smaller, and you will see the left on that side and the left on this side. Okay, what's strange though is this one shows you right up to there when you it depends on where you stand. Okay, so this is the left one. The right one is come on, the right one standing on this side. Let's go in. I made it 55 from the right minus the length of, but they don't really work all the time. You will see now. And then the middle, of course, is in the middle of the page. To clarify on this and what I've done, a lot of playwork, lot of testing, sourced it from different places on the web to create the smallest working thing. You don't really need those, but I do it. You can do it in a different way, all with coding, but I prefer that one. Is easier for the page count. Then you have to create a table, and you get a page width. You do not put in any rotation on here because the page rotation was already set on top. So now you only get the maximum. Then you need to create a new cell, and you have to use your phrase which you want to put into your text. The border is 0, otherwise it's you can put in a border if you want to, and then you add this cell, and you have to write the selected rows. I played around with this, and this is the best setting I could get. You can see it for the left one is under 20, and the total width on the right side is 55. It depends on what your phrase will be, and that is the phrase is that one there. And then it's at the bottom, and direct content, which was a big problem in the beginning to see, and now we all know where this PDF write comes in. There are certain commands you can only use this, but the most of them is using the document you created on top here as new document, and then you add your page. You don't put anything else, because this is happening at the end of the page, at your page footer, and it will do every time. I thought maybe you have to put it behind this and maybe another one on this side, but the working is totally different. But okay, this is a working footer for your page numbers or anything you can put. There's so many things you can put in here. Just to show you, you don't need only a page count. You can put in multiple things, your author and your creation date and your creator, and there's your header. So you can add keywords and languages and producers and subject and title. So there are many things you can put in place at this cell you create. You can put in any phrase here. You put in your name or whatever you want to put in there. Okay, so now I'm ready to move over to the next step, and that is to create the new 10-year plan. I'm not going to, or maybe I can or will test the previous 10-year plan, because it's working nice and well, so that I have a real report generator now that I know how it's working. I will leave you here. Enjoy.